Are you struggling to digitize large volumes of invoices? The easiest way to do this is to use RSI LogicFlow's Recognize Invoice Data function, which utilizes AI technology to automatically analyze the invoices. This video explains how to automatically analyze invoices to read information such as customer name, invoice date or invoice total and save it as metadata in SharePoint. It will dramatically increase your company's invoice management efficiency. Let's get started. In the admin mode of the RSI workplace, I created one application and opened the configuration page. As a source for this application, it can either scan and process invoices directly from the MFP, or by adding a PC to the source, it can process electronic data of pre-scanned invoices as well as invoices received by email. Next, we want to be able to scan and process multiple invoices at once, so I add the Split Document function from the Pre-Process tab. We can split documents by detecting blank pages or barcodes, but in my case all invoices have the same number of pages, so I simply split them using number of pages. Specify by number of pages for processing data on the PC, or by number of sheets for scanning from the MFP. I set the two values at 2 in my case. That is all for document splitting. Now let's add the function for automatic analysis of invoices. From the Extract tab, I select the Recognize Invoice Data function. After selecting the language of the document, 6 languages are currently supported. I have to select the information to be extracted. RSI LogicFlow can automatically extract up to 26 different information. In my case, I add customer name, invoice date and invoice ID. The data IDs are important as they identify the data extracted from the invoice. Later on, I will be able to use them to automatically define the file name, the folder name and the SharePoint metadata. I can keep the default placeholders, but it can be better to replace them with more user-friendly values as they will also be used for the runtime user interface on PC and MFP. Here, I rename Invoice ID to Invoice Number. By the way, you may have noticed that when you added the Recognize Invoice Data function, a panel named Validate Extracted Data was also automatically added. This function is to decide how the users can validate the extracted data. They can confirm the data at runtime, or later on a web-based confirmation list, or send the data without confirmation. It is possible to give multiple options to the users. In the case of invoice data extracted by artificial intelligence, it is better to have the user confirming the data accuracy, so in my case I will make sure the user always confirm the data on screen. The last step is to set up how the invoices and their metadata will be stored in my SharePoint site dedicated to invoices. I select the Store to Cloud Service function from the Root tab and make sure that SharePoint is set as the service. I could allow the users to select where to save the documents, but as I have a dedicated SharePoint folder, I prefer to select it to make sure the invoices will be sent to the proper place. Under this folder, I want the document to go in a subfolder which should be based on the previously extracted customer name information. When I start to enter the name of the subfolder, several suggestions starting with hash appear. Remember I mentioned before I could use the extracted data ID to name the destination folder or the file name. These candidates also contain other dynamic information such as dates. I enter the data ID, customer name, for the subfolder name. Then, I set the file name as invoice number followed by an underscore and a date stamp. Now, I want to enter the information to be stored as SharePoint metadata. When I selected the SharePoint site, the SharePoint columns have been automatically loaded. Here I can see my SharePoint columns customer name, invoice date, and invoice number. I simply have to enter the matching data extracted from the invoice. That's it, all settings are now complete. I save this configuration, and the app will immediately be available on the MFP and in RSI Workplace. Now, all the users have to do is position their invoices on the MFP and press the Start button. The documents will be split up according to the number of pages. Then, a screen will appear to confirm the information extracted from each invoice. Any field marked yellow or red indicates that the data has not been found, that the artificial intelligence engine is not fully confident in the data extracted, or that there is an inconsistency with the expected data type in SharePoint. If it happens, the user should pay particular attention and enter the correct values using the keyboard or select a different area on the document. Using the PC UI in the RSI workplace, documents pre-scanned or attached to emails can be validated and sent to SharePoint in the exact same way. It's convenient, don't you think?